Welcome everyone to the Rabid Mining YouTube channel. Today we are going through our August 26th to November 1st CPU mining profits off Raptoreum with 9 dedicated rigs. Technically 8 dedicated rigs plus my workstation, so I guess 8.5 dedicated rigs. So here we are. These are the profits. We're going to compare them to last week to see how the difficulty increase has been changing things. Plus our pool has swapped over to a new provider. So please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, as well as bell notification to be notified for future videos. And let's take a look at these profits. Once we do get our numbers together for how much Raptoreum we did mine this week, I kind of want to compare it to 2 months ago when the difficulty was only 5 mega hash. Right now it is at 51 mega hash across the network, just to kind of see how much difficulty and hash rate does affect the amount of coins mined. A lot of people say, you know, you can't compare it to 2 months ago. I'm not doing it to compare it that way. I'm there to show people who are mining with your GPUs how much of a change GPU mining is going to be come the end of Ethereum, because you're going to be seeing a lot more hash rate increase than what has been happening on the Raptoreum network in the past 2 months. October 26th to November 1st. So here you can see a list of our payments that we did add up here, but there's a little change, 157. So you can see this is under the minimum of 500. This is when our pool, the community mining pool, o11data.com, did move over to a new provider. And then the minimum payout from there is now a minimum of 100, and then you get paid out. So now you're seeing a whole bunch of smaller transactions coming across. Eventually, hopefully sometime soon, we will be changing that over so you can manually set your payments, but that is not ready yet. So it is being worked on. We'll see what happens in the future. But right now it is a minimum of 100. So you can see all our 100 or higher payments going through. So there's a lot more transactions going through, all the way down to where we actually do see our price, which is right there of time of doing this video. It is 0.011233304. So just over 1 cent. And that gives us a grand total of the week of 11,321.33818 Raptoreum coins mined between these dates. Now, if we look back to last week, we mined a total of 10,907.3633 coins. We actually mined 414 coins more than last week. So this, our pool moving over, it fixed a lot of latency issues and whatnot, and it was already a really profitable pool, and it looks like we are a little more profitable than we were the previous week. At the current price of just a little over 1 cent, 11,321 coins does work out to be $127.17 for the week. That's not too bad. For all my friends out in Canada, including myself, that's $158.35. If we go down to Raptoreum per day, so we divide that by 7, we're estimating about 1,617 coins, 1,617 coins per day. That is $18.16 USD, and again, Canadian friends, $22.64 per day, and that is $2.01 per 9 rigs. Now again, it's more like 8.5 because my workstation is not always mining. It'd be 9 rigs with everything running, but I do only have 8 dedicated rigs and then my workstation, but I do the numbers based on 9 rigs. So, but again, that 9th rig isn't mining 24/7, but it still works out to be over $2 per day at the current market. And if you want to know what that works out, say for a GPU and Ethereum mining, that is about 30 mega hash on the Ethereum network is just over $2 per day. So like an RX 580 pulling 30 mega hash is about what you're seeing making $2 a day on a GPU on Ethereum. So not too bad. Again, this does use a lot less power than an RX 580, but you know, a little more than say your 6600. Anyway, currently on the network, there is 51 mega hash. So that is quite a bit, because when we first started mining this 2 months ago, we only had 5 mega hash on here. So I'm going down here. First, when I first started this, remember I had 6 rigs mining Raptoreum. We were getting about 9,500 Raptoreum per day. So that works out to be about 1,583 Raptoreum per rig. Or if we were to actually swap that over to every rig I have 9 right now, so like the 9, I would be making 14,250 Raptoreum per day. And then for this week, I would have made 99,750 Raptoreum coins. Let's work that out into the actual prices. So 1,583 Raptoreum per rig. You were making $17.78 per day per rig. That is pretty insane. Now let's drop this down here. We're looking at 14,250 Raptoreum per day. So that's for all the rigs. $160 per day is what we were mining on our CPUs if I had all these CPUs back then. And for the week of 99,750 Raptoreum coins with all 9 of my rigs right now, we would be making 1,120 USD per rig CPU mining. That's insane, but I know what you guys are saying. 5 mega hash, that was 2 months ago. Why would you even show us this right now? Well, that's because this is what is going to happen once Ethereum does move to proof of stake. You may not realize it, or you just don't want to realize it. This is a 10 times hash rate increase. And we went from, we could be making $1,120 per week, but now we're only making $127 per week. We would be making $160 per day, but we're only making, $18.16 per day. That is a dramatic price drop, when it comes to crypto mining profits. We kind of went looking through the stuff for, say, Ravencoin and everything that's coming along. A 6x3080 rig making like 20 USD per day right now is going to be making in the red with power costs less than $1 a day. You're going to be in the red like $1 to $8 per day, depending on it. Is that only a 5 times difficult increase? And there's like over 20 times the hash rate coming into Ravencoin. Again, this is just quick insight. I do plan on making that video on what to look for after Ethereum does move to proof of stake, because it is going to be a dramatic change in the crypto mining industry. Well, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. Please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, as well as bell notification to be notified for future videos. We like to do this every Friday just to keep an eye on our CPU mining profits, to see what's going on with Raptoreum. It does look like our pool swapping over to a new provider did help us increase our actual coins gains. So if you are mining in North America, if you're a North American miner, I encourage you guys to join the O11 data pool. Come mine with us. Support is in the Discord. Join my Discord as well. Hang out with us, talk, ask questions, whatever. We are there to help. So I hope to see you guys in the Discord. I hope to see you guys mining Raptoreum on our community mining pool. Come hang out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.